guys, and welcome back to Mel's Beauty Hangout. Today's video is going to be all about how to get this makeup look for Valentine's Day or for any day. I mean, this is like perfect for spring as well. I did use a bunch of, actually I used all affordable products. And I say affordable because I can't say drugstore because some of these products you just cannot get at the drugstore. And yeah, so I just used affordable option, and I will have another video coming up after this. So it'll be a smoky eye Valentine's Day look. I really enjoyed this look. I think it's really simple, really elegant, and this is for people who either are working all day and they just want like a really quick, like on the go, okay, come home, gotta do my makeup really quick and get out the door. That's kind of what this is intended for, but of course anyone can pull this off. It's just a really quick way to get a soft, glam, pretty look for Valentine's Day. And if you're not celebrating, or you're by yourself or with a bunch of girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever it is for Valentine's Day, or if you're spending with your loved one, I think this is super appropriate. And yeah, so without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling. Look at that highlight though. Without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to get on with the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to go in this cute AF Colourpop palette, and I'm just using the brighter shade to set the concealer that I already put down, and you can use any concealer that you want. And I just go ahead and set that down so that my shadow blends on smoothly. And next we're going to go into the shade right here, and I'm just picking up a fluffy blending brush, and I just use that for my entire crease area because I wanted some dimension with this look. And then I just go in and deepen it up, and then we go in with this beautiful Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Twitter Padded. I believe that's what it's called, and it's just like a reflex of like purples and pinks, and it's just super pretty on the eyes. And I just kind of pat it in with my fingers and kind of put it up all the way on my eyelid so that the whole thing is covered. Then I go back in with that transition shade again just to make sure everything is kind of blended, and that's it. That's how easy and simple this eye look is going to be, but yeah, it's super glam and pretty. Then I use a Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and this mascara is awesome. And then for lashes today, I use these ones right here. Lashes. Really cool, right? All right, we're going to go on to our face. This is the Ordinary Silicone Primer. This stuff I really like a lot. I don't think it really covers up all your pores and whatnot, but it's still a really good primer and super affordable. Next, we're going to go into my favorite foundation at the moment from the drugstore. It's the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Wear foundation. And I do use two shades because the one I have is a little too dark. So I did mix them together, and I am just going with my beauty blender or my Japanese sponge and blending that all over my face to give myself a nice complexion. And next we're going to go in with concealer. It's a new concealer from Ulta, the drugstore. It's the Makeup Revolution concealer. It's supposed to be a dupe for Tarte Shape Tape, but I have my opinions on that. But I do really like it. I think it's super affordable, and it is definitely a good alternative. And I'm just going ahead and blending it out. I did use two shades, C1 and C4, because C1 is too light and C4 is too dark. So them together is perfect. And then I go in with this Rimmel Match Powder. I will say that this is not my absolute favorite powder ever, but it was the only affordable one that I had, so it works. And then I just go ahead and do my brows with the Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil. I actually didn't really like this at first, but now I absolutely love filling in my brows with this pencil. So much nicer. And this is the Makeup Revolution. I think it's called like the Chocolate Gold. It's the bronzer and highlighter. and I freaking love this palette so much. The bronzer is literally the perfect shade for you, and it makes me look so bronze and so pretty because I was looking really flat, and it just brings a lot of life into my skin. And then we go with this NYX Contour Palette, and I use this crown brush I just got in my BoxyCharm, and actually it's really good to contour. Like, I really contour out my cheeks, and yeah, I just really liked it a lot. Give that contour, and I just put that powder to carve up and clean up the contour so it doesn't look too super sharp. And then there's this Catrice blush I am absolutely obsessed with. It is extremely pigmented, but it gives you the prettiest flush on your cheeks. And then I just go in with a stippling brush to blend everything out and take away that powder. And then go in with the highlighter from that Makeup Revolution Chocolate Gold Bar palette, and then I go in with this Kiss highlighting, and I just kind of go over the top of that highlighter to brighten it up, and then go finish up our eyes. We're going to go in, actually pointed to the wrong shade, but it's actually the darker burgundy color in the palette, and I just use a flat definer brush to put this on my lower lash line, so it gives us some more color and more like a smokiness, but not like anything too smoky. And to blend it out, I go in with the correct shade now with a blending pencil brush, and this is what I used in our transition shade to blend out the color we just stippled onto our lower lash line. And then I'm just going in with the Twitter padded Super Shock Shadow that we put all over our lid and putting that in our inner corner so that everything is like connected and brighten up a little bit. And I'm just putting my same mascara on our lower lash line. And I'm just taking off the foundation on my lips. I go in this Colourpop Lippie Stick primer, lip primer. It's my first time trying it. It was interesting. I actually liked it. And then I'm going in with the Ghosted Lip Luxe lipstick from Colourpop. And I bought, I think, about 5 or 6 of these, and I cannot wait to use the rest because I'm absolutely obsessed with how it applied and the way it looks. Oh, it's so pretty. And then I'm just highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner highlight. Alright guys, so this is the final makeup look. It's very flirty and very Valentine's Day-y. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up this hair, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's like crazy. Like, this is what my hair looks like. So I'm going to finish up my hair and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I just put on a pink shirt for Valentine's Day, and I really like how this turned out. It's really simple on the eyes. I think it's really fresh, it's really pretty, and it's really quick if you guys are trying to be out the door and don't want to put too much effort in, but also still want to look really fresh and pretty. I really do like it. This is not normally an eyeshadow I would ever go for, but when I saw it online, I want to swatched it, I really enjoyed it. And also really love this lip color. You can do it either really neutral, or you can do it a more bold lip, like a red lip. But I thought this really complemented the eyes well. And I just put some like curls in my hair to make it not look crazy. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. And I hope you guys have a very nice Valentine's Day, whether you are by yourself, Valentine's Day, or with someone that you love. I hope you have a wonderful day. And yeah, thank you guys so much again for watching, and take care.